Welcome back. Today, our ABC News 4 expert, Lowcountry Plastic Surgery Center, is here to talk about some innovative new anti-aging procedures and treatments. Janice Simpson is a certified aesthetics consultant and joins me now to talk about side lays and Refirm. Janice, welcome.
Thank you.
And
Thank you, Tessa.
And I think it's always very interesting the way the industry works, and they're always coming up with new and innovative things to kind of help people look a little bit younger, because, I mean, we all have to age, but if we're going to do it, we may as well do it, I guess, gracefully with a little help. So let's talk about side lays, and what is that?
Side lays is one of the newest technologies available for laser skin tightening. In fact, it's being considered the gold standard for skin tightening. It's a minimally invasive procedure. It requires only local anesthetic and perhaps some oral medication. The patient goes home immediately after their procedure. Recovery time is super simple.
I was going to ask if that was going to be.
Yeah, it's more like inconvenience time versus downtime with this procedure, but it's highly effective. It's considered the knifeless facelift because it accomplishes three goals. One being lipolysis, which is melting of the fat, which can contribute to the heaviness in the jowl area.
This is, right in here.
Correct, yes. And it also helps to contract the deeper tissues, which are normally sutured during a surgical facelift. Yes. And it also helps to tighten the skin with the laser.
Yeah, because you would want to do that so it gives that more smooth appearance.
Absolutely.
Now let's talk about what Refirm is and how it differs, excuse me, from other types of skin tightening procedures.
There are many different types of skin tightening procedures out there. With Refirm, it employs what's called ELOS technology, or electro-optical synergy. It's the combination of radio frequency with infrared light for the purpose of bulk heating. By bulk heating, the body perceives a thermal injury at which it begins a remodeling process to increase collagen production. Now, by comparison with side lays, you're going to get quicker results that are going to look better several weeks or months after the procedure. With Refirm, it takes a little bit longer, but there's no downtime whatsoever. In fact, it's considered a red carpet treatment because you can get this done and then go to something important, get your pictures made, whatever you want to do.
And so right now we're putting up some before and after pictures on the screen. That's the same person?
Yes.
Wow. And how fast do you see results? Is this something that you have to have several treatments over a period of time, or is it pretty much instant?
Yes, you do see some instant results after a single treatment, because one of the clinical indicators that we have reached our goal within a treatment area or vector zone is the tissue contraction that makes the skin look tighter. After an individual treatment, the results will last about a couple of weeks with the first treatment, but then you do one treatment every 3 weeks for a series of 5. And by that time, your results are going to be maintained for 6 months to a year. Okay,
now I did see a picture where it looked like it was the stomach region, so it's not just this procedure, just isn't limited to the face. Let's describe this and what you can tell what's going on in the before picture, what their problem was.
Sure. With skin laxity, you can see there that the skin has kind of given way. The elastin fibers, the collagen fibers have all just given way, and with the Refirm treatments, it helps to remodel those connective tissues so you have firmer skin.
Okay. Now, how can someone tell if this is a procedure that would be something good for them?
Well, anyone who is experiencing any degree of skin laxity would be a candidate for Refirm. You can have tan skin. It's great on all skin types. There are only a very few contraindications to that specific treatment. Now, with the side lays, of course, that would require a consultation with Dr. Hensel and to rule out any contraindications for that, because there is a laser wand that has to be introduced into the skin with a very small incision.
All right, Janice, thank you. Such great information, and it sounds like something that's very innovative that we're doing right here in the Lowcountry. But you know, we do have a giveaway to let you know about right now. Be the first or second caller to 849-2535 to win a beauty consultation with Janice and a gift card for a mini treatment with Refirm. The total value, $160. Now, to win, you must be at least 18 years of age and live within the ABC News 4 viewing area. Again, that number, 849-2535. Janice, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Now over to John.
You know, many moms spend a considerable amount of time in the car. In fact, for many moms, their car is their office on wheels. So if you're looking for